If something you want to read is not available from the library, you can request a copy through our Interlibrary Loans and document delivery service. You can request a scan of an article or a book chapter, or you can ask to borrow an entire journal issue or book. You will need to register the first time you use the service so that we can have scanned copies of the items you requested to be emailed to you. Fill in the online request form on the library website, giving as much information as you can. It can take up to a week for something you have requested to arrive. Scans of individual journal articles and book chapters tend to arrive more quickly. Items that are particularly difficult to source or in high demand sometimes take longer. If you request an entire book or journal issue, please be aware that sometimes these can only be read in the university library because of restrictions imposed by the lending library. If you have any questions, please chat with us online or pop in and ask a librarian in the Library Skills drop-in office. We're happy to help.